Sanibonani guys, sanibonani. Yeah, but two of the best South African footballers right now. Okay, fine. Phikisi next as an Orlando Pirates football supporter. Yabo. If you can take labantu abayi-2 laba siyobafaka ku-Sundowns, do you think wena bangasurvive? They can be ku-first lineup or emastanzini because alikho iplayer elisuke ku-Pirates lafika ku-Sundowns lafike lafitha. Yabo, alikho. Besithi sine-star sisho uLorch azange afithe. Teko Mdisa azange afithe. Noma bawinile uTeko Mdisa awina amakhaphu ama-what but kushintshe ini i-dynamic yonke. Manje nawo amajita wami ayi-2. Do you think wena if angajoyina i-Sundowns lamajita they can be praised as current bathola i-praises ngakhona every match they say ama-best. Mawucabanga wena bangafika ku-Sundowns bayenze lento le if bangathenga i-Sundowns na. Mina I don't think bazokhona. I don't. Yeah, ama-average player just being hyped nje. Yabo. Ama-average player being hyped.